Hello students, how are you all? Okay students, today in this video I am going to make you learn how to write a notice. Today's my topic is notice. Okay. On what topic? Let's see the question. In the reading text, the potter was lucky enough in driving away the enemy from his country. The pleased king decided to felicitate the potter. Now imagine that you are the king. You have decided to felicitate the potter for his bravery. Draft a notice in this regard addressing the people. Okay, in the reading The Brave Potter, we learned that Potter was lucky enough that he drove away the enemies from the country, and the king was very happy. So king decided to felicitate the potter. So let's make a notice. To make a notice, first the thing we need is a rectangle box. So draw a rectangle box. Is it students? First draw a rectangle box, then make a heading that is notice. Okay student, the notice is on which topic? Is the felicitation ceremony. So write felicitation ceremony. See, we have to write date, time, venue, purpose of the program, other details of the program. So we have done with the purpose of the program, the felicitation ceremony. Then come on the right side and write the date over here. Like date is 6th of December 2022. Now give the details of the program. So this is to bring in your consideration that we are going to felicitate Potter for his bravery. Okay, we have given the details of the program. Now write date, time and venue on what date you are going to celebrate the ceremony. So date is like take 10th December 2022. Time is 10 a.m. to 12 noon, and venue is Royal Court. Okay, now see, you are imagining you are king and writing the notice. So here your notice is. Now enclose the notice by writing the giver name. The giver is king. Like something Ashok Chakravarti. Who is Ashok Chakravarti? Ashok Chakravarti is a king. Understood students how to write a notice? Thank you.